Innovative solutions for your construction sites. Created with the most advanced evolving technologies. Doosan Concept X. Powered by innovation. The Control Center gathers all field data to create the most efficient workflow plan. The drones scan the job site and transmit the topographic information to the Control Center. And it will calculate the equipment needed to complete the job based on the soil distribution plan. An optimal work plan with the lowest construction period and costs will be created. Each piece of Doosan equipment will be loaded with the work plan and will operate automatically. The auto recognition sensor of the equipment recognizes the surrounding situation in real time to achieve the optimal collaboration. Data from unmanned equipment is pushed to the Control Center to update the work plan. With the real-time self-diagnosis and monitoring status of the equipment, a stress analysis of the main parts and components predicts residual lifetime and helps to manage risks in advance. The equipment can detect and cope with all environmental situations for safety. Innovative solutions for your construction sites. Brought to you by Doosan, to maximize your work efficiency and optimize your project. Someone remains imagining. Doosan makes it happen. It's Concept X. Powered by innovation.